Yo, what is up, guys? Serg here. In this video, I'm actually gonna show you how you guys could get started with Clickbank. This is a friendly beginner for digital products. So if you guys want to get started, stick to this video all the way to the end, because I will be doing step by step on how you guys could actually get started with Clickbank, and so you guys could maximize your profits and get commissions and get started as of today. So with before we get started with this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys will be updated when I post my next video. And I'm still doing a 10K challenge away, so I'll be more than appreciative if you guys do subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm going to be posting every single day until I reach 10K subscribers. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually get started with Clickbank. Real easy, real simple, and for you guys, so you guys can actually get started with Clickbank. There's multiple ways for you guys to actually get started using digital products and stuff like that, so you guys could get started with Clickbank. And this is actually the second thing I got into after Amazon FBA, sorry, not Amazon FBA, but Amazon Associates, so I can help you guys do this. And this is where I first got my foot in the door by doing this digital products and stuff like that. So what you guys want to do first is actually sign up if you guys do not have a Clickbank account and stuff like that. So all you gotta do is sign up. But I'm gonna log in and I'm gonna show you guys. Alright guys, after you guys sign up, you guys are gonna want to go to the marketplace and stuff like that, and you guys could pick out any niche that you guys want to start promoting. If you guys are into home and gardens, health and fitness, green products, gamings, all this sorts of stuff, traveling, sports, they have multiple places like e-marketing, e-business, so forth and so forth and stuff like that. Let's go to the health and fitness niche. I'm gonna show you guys examples on how you guys could do it. You guys could, right here you'll see how much people will be earning each sale and stuff like that. Like, some people are promoting this and are getting 144.71. Alright, and the gravity is 445 people are actually getting a lot of money promoting this product. Alright, so let's go with gravity. If you guys go with gravity, don't just look at the gravity, also look at the conversion rates and stuff like that, so you guys could get a good amount of ways for you guys to actually to see if a winning product is worth it, or just test it out yourself. If you guys see a thing that you guys like, make sure it has an affiliate page and an affiliate support. So especially if you guys are a beginner, look into that and stuff like that. Just don't look at the gravity and stuff, just also look at the affiliated pages and stuff like that. Like this one, you guys could earn up to $52.79 per sale. The gravity's pretty good. You should also look at the stats, the refunds and stuff like that. Just make sure everything's good. Even if it's a product that's not really selling right now, but you guys could actually make money out of it. All you gotta do is test it out, and that's basically it. Alright, so after you guys pick a product and stuff like that, you guys could start creating a Pinterest account to actually start promoting this. There's multiple ways to promote Clickbank products. Like, you guys can make YouTube videos like this one right here, or you guys can create articles. Alright, articles is one of the best ways you guys can actually get started promoting these Clickbank products, or showing your face, or even doing voiceovers around the products, doing reviews around the products. But yeah, that's how you guys can start making money with Clickbank. But I'm gonna show you guys an example. Like, if you guys create a TikTok, a Pinterest account, you guys could easily, let's say you're doing it on the health and fitness niche. Let's look some up. Let's look at this one. Okay, so we're in this profile. As you can see, they're getting 363.1k million views, which is pretty good with 520 followers. And it's pretty amazing how, as you can see, these are all just like right now what Pinterest is doing is actually pushing out pin ideas. You know, they're like TikToks and Instagram Reels, where they're pushing a lot, which I'm telling you is no joke. You know, this one is getting, let me see, you can't see how many views it's getting, but as you can see, it's getting a lot of attractions and stuff like that. And they have and I'm pretty sure this one, a workout guide, where they have something to promote a Clickbank product. Alright, so what they do is basically go take a test, you know, check your body type, you know, this and that, male, female, whatever. They, you know, and it's gonna take you to get. They're gonna analyze, and they're gonna get this thing right here. Get your free custom workout guide, series, and free keto book recipe. All right. So I'm pretty sure right here they're giving out value to show you guys how you guys could actually. I'm pretty sure they're doing a keto product where you guys could start getting here in Clickbank. They're doing something with the keto, but sometimes it doesn't pop out until you look it up. But just to give you a heads up, I'm pretty sure, I'm 100% sure that they're doing a keto Clickbank product and stuff like that. As you can see, 363 million views. All right, just by posting ideas, and sometimes they do post pins and stuff like that, so you guys could get started doing that. All right, you know, there's multiple ways. Like I said, you guys could even write articles on this product. And let me see if I could find a, like, well, we could go on YouTube actually to find this product. YouTube. This is a Clickbank product as well, but it's in the make money niche. Kaibo, I think that's how you say it. Review, and it's more like a wealth niche kind of, and you guys could just see all these reviews that they're doing. It happened. It launched a year ago, and stuff like that, where you guys could actually just check on the reviews and stuff like that. Like, people are doing reviews on it and stuff like that just by, you know, doing it. But that's, you know, a lot of people, you know, I'm pretty sure, I don't know if it's Clickbank, but I know it's like a product with I know it has to do a product to do just like Clickbank. But that's how you guys can actually start making money with Clickbank. Just start doing it the same way like this. Do articles if you guys want to, you know, about the product. Just say, oh, there's this, you know, just do a review. You guys could do it through Pinterest, which is a lot of people actually, this is like the third best search engine that you guys can actually get into is Pinterest, especially because they're pushing out pin ideas. And as you can see, you guys don't even have to use your own videos to promote this. You guys could just easily do health products, just like health niches like this, and just do it like this, and that's pretty much it what you guys could do, you know. And as you can see, they got 520 followers just by doing 363. I don't know when is the last time they posted. They posted last July 13, 2021. As you can see, they're still getting a lot of attraction to this. But if you guys want to get into this, all you gotta do, you know, go to Clickbank, sign up, create a Pinterest account if you guys have not already, and write articles about it. And that's pretty much it. And you guys could start making money as of today. You guys could start making $1,000 a week, you know, even 300 a week, you know, extra income that you guys could do it. You know, there's also paid ways for you guys to do it that will boost your thing. But if you guys do not have money right now, I suggest just to do it the free way method. It just takes a little bit of time and effort, and that's pretty much it. And just put in your work, and you guys could start scaling up your business, and that's when you guys do the paid advertisement. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below so I could walk you guys step by step. And if you guys want to take my free affiliate marketing course, I do have it down below as well if you guys want to take advantage of that. And also, yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys will be notified when I upload my next video. Alright, so see you later. Peace.